A solution was needed for tech manufacturing's business problems. Those solutions were provided by Scytec DataXchange. Scytec DataXchange enabled tech manufacturing to increase their utilization by 15%, acquired new business because of data exchange, gained full visibility and accuracy, improved maintenance and scheduling, and decreased their shop floor equipment downtime. Tech manufacturing, now part of ADDMAN, produces complex parts of medium to large size for the aerospace industry. Tech manufacturing has been a Scytec DataXchange user since October of 2012 and currently uses the DataXchange machine monitoring platform in 14 different machines across 2 different license levels. Tech manufacturing sits on a 40,000 square foot facility in Wright City, Missouri that specializes in low volume, high mix parts for a range of platforms, including the F-15. Tech manufacturing is a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week operation whose goal was to utilize limited automation and shop floor equipment to be running in cycle for 65% of the available time or more. In 2012, tech manufacturing was reconfiguring its shop floor with lean methodology and needed to implement a simple machine monitoring platform that they would be able to grow into. Production insight was needed for metal removal rates, feed rates, and changeovers for parts and personnel. Tech manufacturing also required their yet-to-be-determined machine monitoring platform needed to be able to connect to all types of equipment and be affordable. Scytec DataXchange met all their needs and more. The low startup cost and the ability to pull data through common protocols over Ethernet, with a mixture of legacy and modern equipment, made Scytec DataXchange the obvious choice. Tech manufacturing saw a 15% increase in utilization, and DataXchange helped point out steps for improvement, such as eliminating loss and reducing non-value-added time. Scytec DataXchange also facilitated acquiring new business for tech manufacturing. The 15% increase in utilization amounted to an increase in part production and lowered the part production cost, furthering tech manufacturing's competitive advantage. Tech manufacturing chose DataXchange for the sole initial reason to see machine statuses at a lower cost. When asked why tech manufacturing has stayed with Scytec DataXchange, they answered, "Scytec innovates and has great customer service."